Hello. Have you ever wanted to update your Nissan Frontier grille? Maybe repaint it like this one has been, or update the black plastic mesh or add some lights? In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to remove the grille and also separate the black plastic pieces so that you don't break them. And I'll also show you how to easily put them back together. So, to take off the plastic front grille, there are plastic push pins and some plastic snaps. There's 6 up front that are pins, and then there's 5 plastic snaps. The best way to go about removing the pins is to get a screwdriver or a flat pick, and then an interior door tool that you can pull those pins out with. I'll show you how to do one here, and then we'll go take a look at the interior to get at those pins and snaps. You just take your pick, get under it, use the door tool and just pull that out. It lessens the chance of breaking those. Now to take a look at the interior part of the grille. Once you have the pins off, you can pull back on this a little bit so that you can get to the interior pieces. And if you can see those down there, you know, there's a snap right there, and I'll point them out a little bit in the video with an arrow, with a red arrow. And then you have one there, you have one there, and then you have another one on this side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those off, and then the grille will be ready to remove. I'll take it over to the bench, and then I'll show you how to remove the plastic parts. Now that you have the plastic grille off, you can take a look at what's holding the emblem on, and there are these little plastic tabs on each side. And then also for the plastic mesh, you have some plastic snaps over here that need to be separated in order to get the plastic outer perimeter grille off as well. I'm going to show you by using a heat gun how easy it is to take apart this emblem, and then you can apply that to the rest of the grille. Just with a screwdriver, we're going to heat this up, and then let's just pry on it with the screwdriver just so it pulls it up a little bit. Now what you can do is once that's heated up, you can hold it there a little bit. And as you can see, hopefully from the camera shot, is that it will stay in place a little bit, allowing me to push this tab backwards in order to take this side of the emblem off. And then as you can see from this side, I am starting to separate the two. So it's really that easy, it's really that simple to do. Like I said, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes to remove the grille and then go ahead and start separating your parts. And that's it. If you appreciate the information in this video, go ahead and give us a like. Better yet, subscribe, and you'll get the latest notification when new videos come out. Also, if you have questions or comments, I'd be happy to answer them in the section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.